smells like stew chicken, but it also smells like curry. It's like I don't know, but I know it's good. Lovers of food everywhere, you are watching How to Foodie Nation, where we learn all about Trinbagonian cooking. So today we have a favorite, curry stew chicken. So let's get cooking.
Kezzy, the time has come. We've done stew chicken. We've done curried chicken. So it's just fair that we give the people what we want.
It's only right. The best of both worlds, curry stew chicken.
The stuff that brings us together. I mean, what is curry stew chicken? You know, people get a little confused from that.
Is it curried stew chicken?
Or curry stew chicken?
Oh.
I mean...
Stew curry chicken.
Stew curry chicken. All our fans in Guyana, please let us know what you call this dish. Is this chicken curry stew or chicken curry stew? Or chicken stew curry?
Let us know what makes sense. But for now...
I'm confused already.
Curry stew chicken.
Let's work with that, right? So what we're going to do, we've showed people already how to cut up chicken, how to season it up.
We have those videos. Guys, check down below. Seasoning and cutting it up.
So we have that already done here. What we need to do now is bringing or usher in the curry flavor into this.
So we're doing curry flavor in the unseasoned chicken? I mean, in the seasoned chicken?
Correct. Because when we burn the sugar or caramelize the sugar for the stew aspect, is when the curry introduces itself into the pot. Stick with us, guys. I know it's either curry or stew, but we're going to show you how to do it.
Food
That's
science.
what how-to is about. So let's go.
Right.
We have inside here Geera, that's Geera powder. We have turmeric as well as our curry. Can't be curried out, right?
Right.
So you want to sprinkle that inside for me,
Straight
please?
in, sure.
Right. And obviously it's going to get its color and flavor of that curry aspect from these spices.
Yes.
So you go inside. How beautiful it looks already, you know?
Massage it up.
Turmeric is such a beautiful spice that gives that great yellow color. And you will see it later on.
That nice curry color.
All right. So let's bring in a bit of robust flavor into it now. Can I get the soy sauce?
Certainly.
Soy sauce is going to bring in some color as well as savory notes.
Okay.
All right. I mean, Trinidad and Tobago cuisine is something so amazing. And which dish could you know that you use curry followed by soy sauce?
Soy sauce. The diversity, like, we appreciate it.
Let's go in with some ketchup.
Sure.
Ketchup is going to bolster that deep color as well as that robust tomato flavor.
That we usually use in our stews.
Correct. So it's the same flavors that we're accustomed using over and over, just in different. Oh, you don't waste.
We don't waste. We don't waste.
So imagine what's going on here already. Stew, tomato, curry. Check that out. Beautiful that looks.
Well, I mean, if we already have the tomato ketchup, then we need to get the fresh tomatoes.
You've learned well. So what we're doing, we're going to put it into the seasoning.
So we have onions and tomatoes.
Yeah. So as it cooks, it's going to cook down.
Right.
And you're still going to see the presence of it there later on. Again, no one could really doubt how amazing our Caribbean cuisine is in terms of the hybrids and the integration of two different types of flavors coming together.
Yes.
How colorful this is. Tomatoes, onions.
Pretty.
Really stuff. So guys, our curry aspect of the chicken is pretty much in a gear.
Yeah.
I would allow this to marinate maybe on the counter for about half an hour.
Just half an hour?
Just for the flavors to penetrate and get inside in and impregnate and bring it in together and make love to all the spices.
Okay, so then we come back to stew.
Let me wash my hands in the meantime and then we're going to handle the stew. Correct?
All right.
You know, I could really get the scent of that curry really permeating in the atmosphere. And I don't know if you all could see this, but there's a tinge of yellow on it. That's it.
It's kind of stained.
Yes. And it's important because that's really going to attribute a lot to the final color of the dish.
Yes.
All right? So,
you ready for the most important part?
the stew aspect. You want to handle it?
I will handle it.
You've done this many times. Go in.
A few.
So
high
heat on the pan. There we go.
Going in with the oil.
Swirl it around. Make sure the base is covered evenly.
Cover the place.
Yeah, boy. Cover
There
the
we
place.
go.
You want to cover the place. She laughing. She laughs. She like Masoka tunes in her.
And then, of course, our sugar.
In an even manner.
Hold on, I'm going to break up this pump.
Yes.
Right.
When you break it up, you break it up, you break it up, y'all. I like that.
Listen, Soca Star. Give me a chance now.
So in an even manner, you want to ensure that it is dispersed. Ladies and gents, if you watch our stew chicken show, if not, check it. We break it down in terms of the stages the sugar caramelizes at. It's
step by
no
step.
different here either. And it's going to start to turn. So basically, we're going to allow it to start to caramelize.
Let's spread a little bit.
There you go. From brown to light blonde color, it's going to get dark. It's going to get a really dark crude color. Then bubbles is going to start to emit. So, 2.5 minutes. So you're starting to see the bubbles appearing, right?
Yes.
A dark crude color is appearing also. And this is a good indication. The smoke is starting to emit. You're starting to worry, oh my God, am I burning it? I'm not sure. Is it going to get bitter?
No.
Just stay with us a little longer. You're going to see little blonde streaks developing inside there.
Yes.
Start to stir it. Allow the heat to evenly disperse. Okay? And in about T-minus 6 seconds, yeah, without 2 seconds, it's going to start to come in. Beautiful, beautiful,
Yeah,
beautiful.
man.
Looking nice?
I think we're ready.
All right, beautiful. So, let me take that spoon from you.
Thank you, sir.
And I want you to put it inside and hear that noise. Hear the symphony? That's what we're talking about, Skessy.
The sizzle.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Mix me up for me, please.
Yes, sir.
So what we're going to do here is obviously start to get that burnt sugar, that caramelized sugar,
On
in the chicken. This is how we get the perfect leverage of curry and stew going on. So that 50-50 vibe. Season with the curry and now start to stir it down. Ensure that that caramel
That's
stains.
all the way on.
We are actually searing chicken at this point also. So you're going to create a nice exterior color and also that's going to lock in the flavor.
Okay.
So as Kezzy's stirring this up right now, what's going to happen is that when she's finished with that, we are going to cover this and let it go for 8 to 10 minutes on the same high heat. It's going to spring that natural chicken stock or chicken water. And that is so important that it springs that.
Okay.
We're going to remove the cover later on and you're going to see what we're talking about.
Alrighty.
Kezzy, you want to see what's going on? Ooh, beautiful stuff.
That color.
Kezzy, it's a bit confusing, because you're seeing tinges of brown.
Yeah, but you're also seeing the nice yellow of curry.
And that's the turmeric inside there. That's giving that.
That
now,
is so pretty.
how great that looks. And you could tell it has some sort of a stew element in there, right?
Yeah, of course. I mean, that sauce on the bottom, I don't know if you guys could see, but that sauce
It's a beautiful thing, boy.
is nice.
So the
It's
tomatoes started to break apart.
Of course.
Onions and stuff. All those things add additional flavor and really make it well-rounded and comprehensive. So that natural water is starting to dry up.
Yes.
Sprung on its own.
Yes.
That's what you call bunje.
Bunje.
When you cook it down. Cook the water down until it concentrates and gets a thick gravy.
Okay, so
We need additional water
we
now.
need
to
more
cook
water
it. That's
because we got to finish cooking the chicken.
in actuality, that is the water that cooked the curry.
Okay.
So it wouldn't have a granular or grainy feel. So it's a curry paste there then.
Okay, okay. That makes sense.
Yeah. We're going with our water inside there. How much? Maybe about 3/4 to 1 cup.
Scrape your border.
Scrape your bottom because there are caramelized bits below there, burnt bits.
Yep.
And all that houses a lot of flavor. Remember, it has ketchup in there, soy sauce, a lot of sweet ingredients like onions in there, which tends to caramelize. So we need to make sure we deglaze it. And that water does that.
Yeah.
And brings in, forms the sauce. Looking good?
You're looking good.
All right, cover it down.
Again?
Cover it down.
Okay.
Let it simmer again.
For how long?
15 minutes.
All right.
So we come to the most beautiful part where our curry stew chicken is on that point where it's time to eat.
Like, I mean, this is the most confusing smell. It smells like stew chicken, but it also smells like curry. It's like I don't know, but I know it's good.
Okay, so what we need to look at here first and foremost is the tinge. It does have that nice brown hue.
Look at this nice piece of
Just seeing some yellow peeking through
gosh.
there. So you know we have the flavor profiles of both and also the color.
Yes.
What I want to do there, Kezzy, is just add a little bit of salt to it.
Little thing.
Yeah, just to season it up. Some black pepper. Give me a little stir, please.
Certainly, sir.
To that, just to give me a little vitality into it, some chopped scallions or chives.
Which we love to put at the end.
Because you really do get the color pop from it, as well as you get the vitality of what the herb offers as compared to the beginning. It tends to cook away.
Yep.
Right? You would obviously realize that the sauce has thickened up nicely.
Yes.
As we always say here on Foodie Nation, the surwa. And
We like it saucy.
That's the stuff that clings to the rice, the roti, whatever you're eating this with. And that's pretty much it in essence. You want to give it a little taste?
Well, I was going to taste it even if you told me not to, you know.
My Lord,
I mean, look how nice. It's like curry stewed together.
Kezzy, I know you love this stuff. Tell me what you're thinking. No words.
Nope.
Let me plate up and
Be
eat.
good. Time to eat.
So, Kezzy, the best of both worlds.
It looks so good, man. Like saucy.
It has to be saucy. That sauce obviously is a major part of the color of a good curry stew chicken.
Yeah.
So what I must mention is that you could see a lot of character in this. You see
Of
the
course.
tomatoes, the chives, the onions, but that sauce is what really makes whatever compliment that goes with it
Yeah, I agree.
amazing.
What do you think goes with it, though? Because for me, all I hear in my mind is roti.
People, we've been skirting around this for some time.
We covered real curry recipes. Now we have curry stew, which means
Time for roti.
I guess we gotta make roti.
It coming up soon, you know.
Comment below if you want us to try roti, and then what kind.
Let us know.
We need to know.
So, in the meantime, we will have this solo by Kelp.
Yes.
So you want to dig in?
Sure.
Alright, let me just take a wingman, eh?
I mean, old drumettes.
Oh, look at that.
Cheers, my friend.
Boom. Beautiful stuff. Yellow, brown. This is the best curry stew I've ever had. I'm not saying that because we made it. But ladies and gents, this recipe is foolproof. Trust me. Flavors, the harmonies of the spices, the balance. It is just perfect. There's sweetness from the sugar inside, the pungency from the oily spices such as the curry, the masala, the turmeric, the shine.
You can keep going, you know, because
And it's not greasy at all. I love it. Ladies and gents, curry stew. We've introduced the concept to you. The people of the Caribbean internationally who are watching this.
yep.
We've covered curry, we've covered stew. This is a hybrid of both. Please try it. Let us know what you think.
And let us know if it's next stop roti. Yeah?
I think my next up is roti right now.
I think so too. Subscribe, comment, let us know.
Say goodbye to the people and let me eat with people in peace now.
Bye, people. Until next time.